Another negative trait of the soul is when one expects salvation, even though they do not behave obediently to Allah, the Exalted. This involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience. This is not hope in the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, it is only wishful thinking. Real hope is when one uses the strength granted to them by Allah, the Exalted, to strive in His obedience and then hopes that Allah, the Exalted, accepts their efforts. Wishful thinking is when one puts no or minimal effort into obeying Allah, the Exalted, and then hopes Allah, the Exalted, will save them. This is like the farmer who fails to plant seeds or water their fields and still hopes they will obtain a great harvest. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.